Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Eva, and I'm a student of senior high school in the 10th grade. This afternoon, I'd like to make a presentation about the novel coronavirus. Before I start my presentation, I have two questions for all of you. The first, do you know how many people who have died because of COVID-19? And the second, have you ever infected by COVID-19? Okay, thank you for your answers. I'm sure that all of you have heard about the outbreak of the novel coronavirus or COVID-19. It started in a marketplace in Wuhan on 12th of December 2019. It has spread all around the world and has affected millions of people. This virus spread by people infected that visit another area or travel to another country. They might be doing some close contact with another people, so that another people can be infected with coronavirus. How dangerous is coronavirus? Some variants of coronavirus can be very dangerous, but some of them are not really dangerous. One day, I found out an article in Twitter, and it says that the variants of COVID-19 who is spreading quickly is likely not dangerous, and vice versa. This virus transmitted from one person to another person by breath, droplet from sneeze and cough, droplet when they were talking to each other when not wearing a mask, and a close physical contact. What symptoms we should aware of? Some symptoms of coronavirus are mild fever, cough, difficulty in breath, headache, exhaustion, and losing sense of taste and smell. World Health Organization have declared that COVID-19 is a global health emergency because it has spread quickly all around the world, and this world became a pandemic, and it also really dangerous for human beings. The country who it was first invented, the Chinese government, has done some effort to prevent this pandemic happen longer. At first, they do lockdown for Wuhan area and other area that has people infected. They also do a lot of research about how to make a vaccine. Nowadays, the vaccine have found and has distributed to all around the world. We can protect ourselves from this contagious virus by doing the health protocol. For example, wear masks wherever we go, keep distance from another people, always wash our hands with water or hand sanitizer, and we should avoid a crowd. Mask is something important to wear nowadays, especially surgical masks. Besides surgical masks, there are various kinds of masks nowadays that you can wear. For example, the KF94 and KN95. and some others. They can protect us from the virus. And if you want to know how each protection effectiveness from each kind of mask, you can search it on the internet. Before I end my presentation, I'd like to make a conclusion that the COVID-19 seems to be less dangerous than SARS and MERS, but it's still a fatal infection. Moreover, COVID-19 can spread quickly from one person to another. To protect yourself, wash your hands completely, frequently, and avoid to touch your face. If you are in an area where this virus is common, avoid the crowd and potentially carriers. I think that's all my presentation this afternoon. Thank you for your kind attention and goodbye.